Hello, this is Ziyin Chen. I'm presenting the first part of Lecture 3. Here is the home page. Everybody can see the home page without signing in, but he cannot do anything. But if he decides to sign in, then you can see that he has the option to add or remove the items. Well, let me make it all okay. When there's nothing in the cart, the cart shows 0 items, and if I add 1, then the cart shows 1 item, and add 2 shows 2, and if I do the same to the other items, then I have 6 items in total. If I click on the cart item, you can see it is a list of cart items. The total is calculated down below. Well, this information is maintained. If I refresh it, it's still there. Sorry, there was a connection problem. But if I refresh the cart, the page, the cart information is still there. If I click other pages, the shopping cart history is maintained. And if I sign out and sign in again, then the shopping cart information is still there. But if I sign out and sign in as a different user, then the shopping cart is 0 because he's a new one. So if I add a few items there, then here we go. Yeah, everything looks good. Thank you.